Hey there, my name is Johnson, and I'm a software engineer here at GoProfiles. Today I'll be going over one of my favorite features on the platform, the Who Am I game. The Who Am I game is a great icebreaker for your team, and it's always fun to see who can guess the most correct answers in a row. To access the Who Am I game, you can go to the left nav and click on Who Am I. You'll be redirected to the Who Am I page. So, before we begin playing, there's actually a couple of prerequisites we need to complete. The Who Am I game displays 3 users, not including yourself, so there has to be a minimum of 4 users on the platform to begin playing. To invite your teammates, you can go to the nav bar and click on the invite button. Once you fill out this information and invite your teammates, and once they log in and you have 4 users on the platform, you can begin playing. Before you start though, I strongly recommend you fill out information on your profile. This will make the Who Am I game experience a lot more enjoyable. So you can go to your profile by clicking on My Profile. Here you can fill out details about yourself so the Who Am I game has more information to work with. This includes your location, details, bio, skills and interests, languages, and groups. Now that you've filled all of that out, we can begin playing the game. You can go back to Who Am I page. And you can see here you are given a prompt and 3 users. The goal of the game is to match the user with the prompt. You have the option to skip. What skipping does is it gives you a new prompt and 3 new users. The prompt here is, born on January 22nd, I'm a numbers person who loves crunching data. I've been with the company for over 2 years now, and I'm proud to call Florence, Alabama my home. Who am I? So I know the answer here is Ben Reed, but I'm going to choose Maggie so you can see what happens if you guess wrong. So I'm going to click submit, and the game will let you know if you guess wrong, with your choice being the red border on the outline. But no worries, if you guess wrong, you can always click play again. The new prompt is, I may be new to the company, but I hit the ground running with my skills in applicant tracking systems and daily operations. When I'm not at work, you can find me hiking or planning my next travel adventure. Who am I? I think the answer this time is Maggie. So I'm going to click submit. And I know I'm right when I see confetti fall from the top, or you can see you got it right here. After each guess, a view profile button will show up, taking you to their profile page so you can learn more about your coworkers. And that's all for the Who Am I game. If you have any more questions, feel free to reach out to support. Thank you.